In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to share a task in ClickUp step by step. This is perfect if you're working with teammates, clients, or external collaborators, and you want to give them access to a specific task without sharing your entire workspace. Whether you're new to ClickUp or just want a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the easiest and fastest way to do it. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more ClickUp and productivity tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and log into your ClickUp account using your browser. Once you're logged in, navigate to the workspace, space, folder, or list where your task is located. Click on the task you want to share so it opens up in the task view. This is important because task sharing options are only available when the task itself is open. Now that the task is open, take a look at the top right corner of the task window. You'll see a small ellipsis icon, also known as the three-dot menu. Go ahead and click on that ellipsis. This menu contains several advanced options related to your task settings. From the drop-down menu, find and click on the option that says Sharing and Permissions. This is where ClickUp lets you control who can see or interact with this task. Once you click on Sharing and Permissions, a panel will open with different sharing options. Here, you can manage visibility and generate a shareable link. To share the task quickly, simply click on the Copy Link button. ClickUp will automatically copy a secure link to your clipboard. You can now paste this link into an email, chat message, or anywhere else you need to share it. Anyone with the proper permissions will be able to view or interact with the task based on the settings applied. This is especially useful when you want to share progress with a client or get feedback from someone who doesn't need access to your entire ClickUp workspace. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully shared a task in ClickUp in just a few clicks. This simple feature can save a lot of time and help keep your collaboration organized and professional. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.